Okay, now we see the one case and we discuss the some question answer. A 15-year-old boy in the hospital OPD come to with complaint of difficulty in vision, which is more in the night. Patient also complained of cough and cold. He appeared malnourished and came from the poor socio-economical background. On examination, there is a thick grayish white triangular plaques adherent to the conjunctiva were found. Hyperkeratinization of skin was also found. Dark adaptation time was increased. Vitamin A level was decreased. So now, what is the most probable diagnosis of this patient? So it is vitamin A deficiency. What is the major function of vitamin A? Major function is in the vision, okay, the retinal part. While other function like retinol as a reproduction, retinoic acid in the growth and differentiation of tissue, and beta carotene has a role in the as an antioxidant. Mention the active forms of vitamin A. So retinol, and retinoic acid. While plant, it is beta carotene. Mention the provitamin form for the vitamin A. What is the provitamin? As we have seen that one beta carotene oxidative cleavage, it will form theoretically two forms of vitamin A. So that is called as the provitamin. Beta carotene is a provitamin. Remember. So these are all questions asked in the separate as a case also. So what are the deficiency manifestations of vitamin A? So we know that night blindness, xerophthalmia, Bitot spots, keratomalacia, all are the features of vitamin A. Other are hyperkeratinization of skin, toad-like skin. It is called as a phrenoderma. Hyperkeratinization of the skin occurs. Chance of infection is more common. Okay. So what are the biological role of vitamin A apart from vision? So main is in the vision, but other are like retinol has a role in the reproduction, retinoic acid in the growth and differentiation of the tissue, and beta carotene as the antioxidant. What are the source of vitamin A? As we know, retinol as the sources of vitamin A. So when we take animal source, we get retinol, and retinoic acid. So milk, egg, butter, fish liver oil, they are animal source, while plant source are carrot, spinach, mango, papaya. Right? What is the daily requirement of vitamin A? 1000 retinal equivalent or 1000 microgram in men and 800 microgram in female. What are the symptoms of hypervitaminosis? So anorexia, weight loss, increased intracranial pressure, joint pain, all are the features of hypervitaminosis A. Why hypervitaminosis is more common in fat-soluble vitamin than water-soluble vitamin? Because they are not excreted, they are stored. So when we over-ingestion of fat-soluble vitamin lead to the hypervitaminosis. What are Bitot spots? They are the grayish white triangular plaques adherent to the conjunctiva. What is the earliest manifestation of vitamin A deficiency? It is a night blindness. What is dark adaptation time? In which vitamin deficiency it increase? So time taken for resynthesis of rhodopsin, that is called as the dark adaptation time. It is increase in vitamin A deficiency. Mention the pigment in retina responsible for the dim light vision. So pigment is rhodopsin. What is this pigment made up of? It is made up of 11-cis retinal and opsin. Which form of vitamin A is responsible for antioxidant property? It is beta carotene. Which form of vitamin A has a role in reproduction? It is retinol. So this is all about the vitamin A. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so that you can see the future video also. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.